what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna play Bed Wars. We're gonna play with Cyber Kid. Yeah, you heard it right, Cyber Kid. I played this but it's OP. Another video coming soon guys. After this I got a little kit by Battle Pass level 10. Forgot to put a video. I joined back in Bed Wars. Channel. Sorry guys. Come quick. Woo, fresh. I need to improve my killing skills. You know what I mean, right? When I am in a fight, my clicking are getting slow by butterfly click. Yeah. Oh no. Bro, why Chinese or Japanese? I can get Diamond 3. I'm not getting it that fast. No, right? I'm rushing to mid. Yeah, man. Do that block. Ooh, 19 iron. Oh no. You come on. No. No. Ooh, combo wambo, baby. Ooh. Combo wambo. Combo wambo. Combo wambo. Bro, why is clutching? Yeah, you heard it. No, please. I have 8 times. I can buy iron armor. Gee. No, diamond number. Why I make that sound? Quickly, I need 170 iron. But I need to build up. Oh my god. Try harding. Give iron. Give iron quick. L toxic. I can get clear too quickly. I'm gonna get this goddamn armor. If I get iron armor, I can get straight diamond armor. Like tap water, the YouTuber that quitted Bed Wars, he'll always go rush to mid. What did you ask? You're L, loser. I'm not toxic in real life. He's being toxic, so I need to be toxic. Oh, can I get this goddamn? What did you ask? I need a stone sword. He's already there. Lol. I'm gonna get this shitting sword and go. Bro, don't sabotage me. Ooh, 20 iron. Give me that scrumptious. Ha, you better run. Oh no 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 no! No! Wow! Noob. Come on. If I get armory, I'll be stacked up. I'll not do this every game. This game I got lucky. Just come. Lol. You're serious? I literally killed her in the bridge. I got so scared. Oh yeah. Bruh. Oh, no. Oof. Another day, poor. This takes like 3 days. I know this video might be some long. You know how I'm staying out here? Yeah. Yeah. Don't die, don't die. I think everybody calls me I'm a hacker. Now. Give me that. Give me that. Put this in that. Give me this. Give it that. I should not build up. Remember that, Super One? I need to go. I have a diamond sword. This is the worst day ever. Yeah, I have this good teammate here helping me. Thanks, man. You're a great teammate. Even though he's a bacon. Yeah, keep it up. Quick. Why you don't have a drone? I'll get on kill and get a drone. I promise. This next video I'll use Freya. If I try. Bro, I'm gonna rage, literally. Oh, okay, I'm gonna mine. I'm gonna go there, get some Emmys. No, but somebody have diamond armor. Someone had diamond armor. This is gonna be tough. Anything just... Bro! Pass my iron. Now Team Gen. I can get tier 2 by now. You're now only getting this. I need a drone. I can see you guys. I literally got diamond armor in 1 minute today when I was playing. Sorry, I didn't record that. Give me 60 iron. Oh my jeez. Jeez. Yes. Bruh. I'm gonna go to mid. Please give iron. You dumb. Yes. Toxic girl. Wow. I've never seen a toxic girl in my life. Toxic girl. 20, 21, 20, 20, 24. Give me some time to sleep. I don't want to live technology. Leave that block. Give me some time to sleep. Oh no 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 no. Me try harding. Right, did that for nothing? No. Look at them. I have one aim, one M. Give it some time. I'll not give you that, you know, right? When will this dumb Freya go away? It's literally overpowered. Oh no 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 no. No. Get away. Yay. I want some telepel. Telepel. All obsidian. Eeny, meeny, me. Bruh! I'm serious. Are they not gonna get? Give me some time to see. If I was some teammate, you. Is that a dumb? Give me some time. I'm gonna just hide myself. I hope no one is there. Why is she camping the M generator? Oh, Freya's trash. I killed a Titan once. Do you damage? Are you 30 minutes? Who's that squeaking in my room? Wow, clutch! She found the third thing. UL. Get some armor protection. I'm a cat in the hat. Where is 25 damage in a bow? I had diamond armor and why I am not rushing. What? She has emerald armor. I had it. Bro, Freya's not OP. It's trash. For me. LOL. She fell in the void. What? I have 16 diamonds. Great. How did I combo? Give me some time to play. Look like insurance is reeling. Where is green gone? Bruh. I was the bow master. Oh no. I ran out of fireballs. Oh no. This is gonna be hard. I'm getting frustrated. You serious? Bruh, I'm done. Peace out.